Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. My name is Bree and my business is called Bree's Pastry House. I'm a pastry student at Escoffier and the heart behind Bree's Pastry House. Baking has always been my passion, and now I'm turning my love for creating sweet treats into something I can share with my community. Here, you'll find handcrafted pastries made with care, from citrusy parfaits to rich cakes, cookies, and seasonal desserts. Every recipe is made in small batches with fresh ingredients, love, and a touch of creativity. Juice and granulated sugar mixed in a saucepan until heat. In separate small bowl, mix cornstarch and water. Then add it to the saucepan to stir until thick like gel. Then, add another granulated sugar, salt, and lemon juice into the mixing bowl with the juice gel. Final is adding the frozen mixed berries, thawed, into the bowl to stir as well. Roll the pin the dough. I made it as homemade dough for the pie. One dough is for the bottom. Pour our pie filling into the pie pan and then roll the pin another dough for the top. I made another fruity pie is peach. Look at right arrow. Now I'm brush the egg wash to the crust to stick it together, avoid the fruity spill that come out from the stove. Final is cut the shape heart in the middle of the pie before bake. I bake it for 425 degrees first 20 minutes and then turn down to 350 for another 40 minutes. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss more sweet recipes from Bree's Pastry House.